Welcome to Crewe. Today we have a Seat Leon ST finished in urban silver. There's an FR model, 2 litre TDI. Features on the car are the LED headlamps and daytime running lights. There's also front fog lights on the car. 18-inch alloy wheels. LED indicator located in the mirror housing. This model features the roof rails and the privacy glass as well. At the rear there's parking sensors. Huge loading space with storage either side. Car seats 5 in total, has a black cloth interior with the red stitching. Four electric windows with heated electrically folding mirrors. Being an FR, has the flat bottom leather steering wheel and the sport seats. Car's covered just over 9,250 miles and has cruise control also. Touchscreen media display with DAB radio, Bluetooth streaming, satellite navigation, live traffic updates, hands-free calls, and has full link to enable features to be used on Apple and Android devices once plugged in. There's also dual climate control, storage at the front and 2 USBs and 3.5mm auxiliary. More storage in the centre with a 12-volt power source and a centre armrest. If you'd like any further details on this particular car, please contact Crewe on 01270 50 70 40. Thanks for watching.